All right. So we're back. Um, this is blueberry grapes, and I'm going to go through and harvest all these tonight. Um, well, as many as I can reach, but you can see there's different clusters around here. I went through when I bagged off the big clusters. That's what I did. I bagged them off. I put a sandwich bag over them. I put one of these little binder clips on them, and that's how I protect them from the birds. But I also leave the smaller clusters out, so I know, hey, when these things are ripe, they're done. So I've left these out. The birds are really getting into my stuff, but they are not getting all of my stuff. So I'm going to go through here. I'm going to harvest some blueberry grapes. I'm going to leave some there too for the birds, and we're going to see what we end up with. So stay tuned. We're going to harvest some blueberry grapes. Nice. Hey, so we're back again, and I just thought about this. I should do like a video on unboxing the bags. So these are the clips I use. I put a brown paper bag on them, sandwich bag, and when I'm done, I take this bag, I throw it in my compost pile. That's your carbon right there. And let's see what we got under here. So these have been bagged off for about 2 months actually, and I haven't really looked at them. Look at there. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful cluster of grapes. We got more bags here to harvest. More or less, like I said, there's a bunch of grapes in here. My goal has always been to get like 100 pounds of grapes. I don't know if I'll ever reach that, but this year I did a really good job of bagging off these in the front. The ones out here in the back, I got about halfway through them. So some are bagged, some are not. But this is a nice, look at that thing, man. You know what? And let's try one. We gotta try one, right? Look, comes off. No seed stuck to it. Or stem, excuse me. Let's see what we got. Oh man, that's freaking good. That was some good stuff right there. So I'm going to go through. I'm going to pick some grapes. You can see one here. Birds have started on the top of it. But oh yeah, I'm going to work myself through this whole thing today, and we'll see what we end up at the end. Hey, all right, we're back, and I have a problem. I got too many grapes, man. I just went through and harvested this one vine, and well, you can see what we got here. We got a huge pile of grapes, and these are beautiful grapes too. I mean, look at them. I mean, they're gorgeous. There's tons and tons and tons of these grapes, and that was only one vine, and I got more to go. But this is pretty awesome to me. I'm gonna call this 10 pounds. I'm not gonna scale out and weigh stuff or anything like that, but I'm gonna call that, just 10 pounds of grapes. And to be honest with you, these are just some of the prettiest grapes. The light's a little low right now. I don't know if you can see them, but they're just this deep, dark blue, almost purple. And that's what I did with about 5 minutes work today, just harvesting them off. And this is pretty friggin' cool. My wife was just out here and she's going, what are we going to do with all these grapes? Well, we're going to have to eat them. You know, if things like this keep up, I might have to learn how to make wine. But no, just a great little grape harvest. I got more to go down here, different varieties of grapes. But no, we got a great little harvest of blueberry grapes, and I really like these grapes. One, because they're very pretty. Two, because they taste awesome. And three, they're pretty much self-thinning. I don't have to really go through and thin these like I do the Red Flames or the Thompsons. These guys pretty much thin themselves. I put a bag on them and we call it good. But yeah, there you go. Nice little harvest. That's a little cluster right there. There's big ones under here. There's little ones under here. Just look at there. Just a beautiful grape harvest. And we're just getting started. And right next to it here is, that's the end of the Itoy onions right there. They are all picked, or all dug up actually. And that's a colander. It's a big colander. And it's full of onions. I got to figure out what to do with those too. But man, yeah, here we go. Got us a nice grape harvest, and there's more to come. I'm super excited, and I might have to learn how to make wine or mead or something else just to take care of all these things. Thanks for watching.